One of my favorite ways of all time to catch a walleye, especially in the weeds, is throwing a paddle tail. There's a couple key variables that can make your success when using a Champ Swimmer. One of them is clear water. The clear water allows that natural bait fish look of these baits to really kind of shine. If you're in dirty water, you'd probably use something brighter. In clear water, you can use the perch, the crappie, any of those natural HD printed sides on these things, and it's really going to get you more bites. The other key thing about that clear water is it allows that fish to see when I'm working my bait really aggressively, pumping the bait up and letting it fall. And I think it's doing a couple things. One of them is it's touching bottom. It's always a good trigger. The other thing is it's ripping through the weeds, another way to get a walleye's attention. And then the most key part is how fast that bait's falling. So I use a heavy jig head. This one's a 1/2 ounce. And I really think there's some science behind why walleyes bite it. The bait's falling really fast, and I think it's something they encounter in nature on a day-to-day basis. So next time you're fishing the weeds and you got clear water, try a Champ Swimmer, work it aggressively, and you're gonna love the results of big walleye with this thing absolutely choked in its mouth.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.